lang sa duha. That's 100% yapon. Because kani man gud sila mga expenses na mga gud ni. Kani. Mano siya ang sulod sa cost of goods sold or the profit. Okay, so any question for vertical and horizontal analysis?
None, sir.
Right, okay, let's proceed na diri sa current ratio sa mga financial ratio analysis. So, for first problem, akong question is current ratio. Simply lang, formula.
Current asset.
Current assets.
Liabilities.
Asama ng current assets na di ba kaniman 7798. Tama? Divide current liabilities. Asama ng current liabilities. De ara. So this is the answer. 3.61 for current ratio.
Yeah, tama.
Next, for quick ratio. For quick, almost similar sila sa formula sa current ratio class, pero inyong i-deduct sa inventory.
Sa inventory.
Inyo sa inventories because you want to know how much of your assets can pay your liabilities even without inventories. Because we don't know when manggod mahalin ng inventories. It could be mahurot siya by next year. So since ang concern manggod aning liquidity is dapat makabayad ta in a short-term obligation. So meaning makabayad ta sa atong utang for a short-term period of time. Okay, so muna na akong ibuhat, this is your current asset. This is current asset. Less na to ang inventory. Always yun na siya less. So the net of your current assets is 2816. I-divide na nato siya sa current liability. So the answer would be
1.30.
186 divided to 163, that's 1.30. So the quick ratio is 1.30. Naipangunta na. Next, debt to equity. Okay? So the word debt, mo ni siya tong utang. So this is our total liabilities. Equity, unsa may sulod sa equity among the, di ba, diri ang total liabilities and equity. So kani siyang total liabilities, ang equity kaning duha. Okay? Common stock and retained earnings. So we will add the two equity. So kung i-add na tong duha, sum of and common stock and retained earnings, that's our equity. So our next step is to divide our liabilities over the equity. That is our debt to equity ratio. The answer is 31.72%. Naipangta na?
Wala, sir.
Wala. Okay. This time, ang ipangayo kay debt ratio, so ang formula ana is
Total
liabilities
divided by
over
asset.
total asset. Very good. Okay, so mana siya total asset. So answer is 24.08%. Next, time interest earned ratio, meaning kanito in earnings before the income tax, interest and taxes. So, man siya, EBIT.
I-divide mo siya sa interest
Okay,
payment.
so 14.14260, divide lang nimo siya sa inyong, asa man siya divide?
Interest payments.
Sa interest payment, mo siyang interest expenses. Kani?
Is 980.
980.
980.
Okay, so the ratio will be
14.55.
your EBIT over the interest expenses or interest payment. Your time interest earned ratio now is 14.55.
Dili i-round off, sir.
Ano to?
Dili i-round off.
Round off. Kung saan yung original?
And
O man yung original?
Wala man lang original.
Wait lang ha. 14 to
Calculator na, terminating na.
Kung saan yung answer sa inyong calcio, di ay.
One, sir. 14.555. Non-terminating na siya.
14.5510204 man. So, two decimal places lang
Dili
class.
naman siya.
So, 14.55. O, pwede magawa sa akong calcio.
Dili
14.
round off.
Ang i-round up ninyo sa second decimal place lang. Ang original mga na mo ni. Tama? 14.551020 into two decimal places. 14.55 yapon sa class. Anyways, kung doon lang yung answer, itama ra gyapon ako na so meaning wala na layo inyong answer sa reality. Next class is net profit margin sa formula ana.
Net income divided by sales.
Okay, so your net income, which is 8362, over your total
Sales.
sales, which is 28,000. So the answer is
30.83.
30.83. So convert ako to percent ha. Two decimal places. Okay, good. Kung sa itong next problem,
Return on assets.
sa to?
Return on assets.
Return on
Kasi
assets.
nagpa-sounds.
Ay, gago.
Kasi nagpa-sounds. Okay.
Bumay. Okay, so sa formula.
Net income divided by average total assets.
Okay, so timanan niyo class sa return on assets kay ang iyahang denominator i-divide kuhaon niyo ang average nga assets, total assets. So first pangitahon sa nato ang net income which is 8362. Unya, unsaon pagkuha sa average? Inyo lang i-add ang duha ka asset 2018 o 2019. So, kuhaon niyo ang sum. Minsan nagpa-accept. Wala man siya. Wala may mag-accept. Kinsa man to siya. Okay, how to get the average? Again, kuhanin niyo ang sum sa
Total
2018.
assets.
Total asset.
Ay, sa 2019.
Oo, yes.
2019 ang 2018.
Plus 29 or pwede rin po mabaliktad. Kunya, i-divide to ninyo. Anong divide to man? Because you want to get the average. Pero kung 3 years na siya, divide 3. Kung 4 years, divide 4. So, divide ko lang ha. So, this is the average total asset. So, get the ratio by dividing your net income to average total assets. So, this is the answer.
36.11%.
Very good. What is the next?
Return on equity.
Return on equity.
Equity.
Kanisa yun lang ni.
Yun.
So, your net income divide
Equity.
equity.
Equity, sir.
How much is your equity? Gani mo ni ba ni? Asa itong ganina na ito gituan? Kato ka ni.
Debt equity ratio.
20,029. So, how to get the ratio? Okay? So, this is equity lang. Net income divide equity. Okay. So, ingani lang sa class. So, sa exam, pangayoon lang ako ang final amount. Like, for example, how much is the current ratio mo? Ano yung ibutang dito? Kani? How much is the percentage of the cash using the horizontal analysis? Like, for example, 9.23. And then, before midnight, you need to submit your solution because this will be an additional point to your quiz of that's plus point na.
Sir, ang return of assets, return on assets, sir, is
Yes.
i-add nimo tapos i-divide. Ang
Yes.
total
Because
assets.
ang pangitaon mo gud
Kuhaan to ang average total asset.
pangitaon mo gud man kay average.
Mm,
So how to get the average? Imo ning
i-add.
add yung duha ka year,
Oo.
2018 nga
Okay.
asset ug 2019 nga i-divide 2
I-divide by
para makuha mo ang average.
Okay. Thank
Pero
you,
kung
sir.
sa akong problem kay upat ka years, divide 4.
Divide 4. Oo.
Oo. Pero since 2 year lang man siya, divide 2. Pero 2 years lang akong problem that dili siya mulapas kay multiple. Because pag multiple na trend analysis na ang gamiton. Okay? So, studyhan din ninyo ni na may questions because this is I think 30 points. Morning naka Naku, sa inyo ang kuhan. 30 points ni siya. Isa man na yung question. So, mora din akong pangayoon. Then, the percentage of vertical and horizontal analysis. Any question?
Kano sa ang exam, sir?
Monday.
Sir, night time limit ang exam.
1 hour.
Uy! 1 hour. 1 hour.
Return on
Kano
Dili
sa,
kaya.
sir? Kano sa, sir?
Schedule.
Sir, ano time value of money dyan? Saan mo to, sir?
One lang to, sa time value of money, ang magawas sa exam kay, I will give you a situation, like for example, if tagaan tig 10,000 karon, for example, the amount is 10,000, karon versus kung maghulat ka 5 years from now. Kung sa'yo mong pilion.
Again, sir.
Ha?
Yes, sir?
Like for example, a situation kay kung sa imong pilion, tagaan te kag 10,000 nga kwarta karon or maghulat ka nga tagaan kag 100,000 5 years from now.
Okay.
So, you will appreciate the time value of money. But situational lang siya.
Situational.
At least 3 to 5 sentences. At least 3 to 5 sentences.
Unsa, sir, kanang
So, yeah.
para sa imuha lang, sir? Or na?
Oh,
Okay.
Puta,
tawag yan, study the concept of time value of money. Kung nagtanaw lang mo video, di ba, nag-post man kong video, dito lang nakukuha ko ng concept. Nagtanaw ba mo video? Wala.
Wala pa, sir.
Wala. So, para dili na mo magsigig procrastinate, tanaw na to karon.
Oo, nalibig.
Hindi.
Di ba naa siya? Paano yung tanaw, no?
Wala.
Time value of money explained clearly and quickly. After all, time is money, right? What's important about money in the context of spending money, saving money, or investing money? First of all, how much are we talking about? Second, money when? We need to know both the amount as well as the timing of the money. To explain that second item, timing of the money, let's search for equivalent amounts of money in time. Would you prefer $100 today or $100 1 year from now? I'm pretty certain you would say $100 today. Why wait? What about the choice between $100 today or $101 next year? I would guess that you would still prefer $100 today. 1 year from now, the prices of goods or services that you want to spend the money on could have gone up. That's called inflation. Inflation could tear up that extra dollar, or even more than just $1. You might be worse off. Plus, let's admit it, you probably don't have the impulse control of having to wait a whole year for just one additional dollar. Better take the $100 right now. How about $100 today or $110 next year? I'm pretty certain you will pick $110 1 year from now, as that sounds far more attractive. Okay, somewhere in between then. How about a choice of $100 today or $105 1 year from now? Maybe you will say, I'm fine either way. If that's the case, then we have just found the equivalent amounts in time and identified the time value of money for you. Fine either way. If that's the time value that we found for you in this example is that $100 today equals $105 in 1 year. $100 is the present value of $105 1 year from now. $105 is the future value 1 year from now or $100 today. Now I'm going mathematical on you. $105 equals $100 times 1 plus 5% to the power 1. The future value equals the present value times 1 plus the rate of return to the power of the number of years. The present value equals the future value divided by 1 plus the rate of return to the power of the number of years. That might be a big abstract mathematical leap. Let's review it with an example. The future value equals the present value times 1 plus the rate of return to the power of the number of years. Let's expand our example to 2 years. $100 today multiplied by 1.05 is $105 1 year from now. That same $105 1 year from now multiplied once more by 1.05 is $110.25 in 2 years. Or if you want to go straight from today to the future value to the 2 years from now, $100 today times 1.05 times 1.05 equals $110.25 2 years from now. 1.05 times 1.05 is the same as 1.05 squared, which is the same as 1.1025. We can also work in the opposite direction. Equals the future value divided by 1 plus the rate of return to the power of the number of years. $110.25 2 years from now divided by 1.05 is $105 1 year from now. The same $105 1 year from now divided once again by 1.05 equates to $100 present value today. Or if you want to go straight from 2 years from now to today, $110.25 divided by 1.05 times 1.05 equals $100 today. 1.05 times 1.05 is the same as 1.05 squared, which is the same as 1.1025. Time value of money is the idea that money that is available at the present time is worth more than the same amount in the future. With the rate of return, you can convert from present value to future value and the other way around. Time value of money is also the underlying principle for concepts such as net present value and internal rate of return. I hope you enjoyed this clear and quick explanation of the time value of money. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like. On this end screen, there are a few suggested related videos you can watch next.
Grabe na unsa naman to, sir. Libuga po dato eh.
Mura man to gradle.
Sir, nakoy pangutan
Dili,
ba?
sa time value of money, dili naman kailangan mag-compute because what I only need to know is your understanding about the concept. Okay, so no computation, just the use of arithmetic lang, the difference kung say kuhaon nimo kanang kwarta karon, mga 10,000 or ang 10,000 after 2 years. Ano lang, concept lang man. That's why lang siya type.
Okay, sir.
Ay, i-discuss man ko na siya thoroughly.
Sir.
Ano ang pinag na subject?
Sir, pwede 1 hour and 30 minutes ang exam, sir.
Ang pang available pa mo na nga time.
Sir, pwede to,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Akong next sa mga class, ihatag na ko ang problem sa inyo ha sa hapon para diretso na lang answer sa during sa exam. What you think?
Okay lang din, sir.
Pwede, sir.
Pwede?
Yes, sir.
Pwede, sir.
7:30 to 8:30, final amount na lang yung ibutang. Ano guys,
Yes, sir.
yung solution, kailangan din yung attach. Paano na lang, 1 hour lang itong klase, or 1 hour lang yung exam, tapos, ang problem sa financial statement analysis, ihatag na ko sa 5:30.
Okay, sir.
Sir, wala lagi ang video.
What time ang exam, sir?
7:30.
Okay, sir.
7:30 to 8:30. Then, ayaw mo kabala ka kay matransfer na mo dun sa second teacher, mananghid lang ko na mag-exam mo, ana, dili sa mo mag-meet. Alkanse mo, kaya kung schedule, kay dugay nag-start ang klase. Tapos,
Saan ang adlaw, sir?
Monday.
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 Yeah.
Sir, wala ang katong video sa time value of money, sir.
Ganun wala man.
Wala diri sa kuha.
Naman siya, oh. Wala man ako siya i-hide.
Okay.
Kanina, time value of money. And then, sa multiple choice, kung nag-study mo to, kung gihatag nga answer last time, nga to lang, more on objective lang questions, definition of terms. Sa question, sa dito ang financial markets, financial environment, financial institutions, which is not part of the financial institutions, ano lang. Then essay. So, essay na lang of computation ninyong kwan. Kindly study the concept of time value of money. Kung sa man ang mga possible mahitabo sa imong kwarta. Keywords lang dira class na ay risks, motong na ay inflation mahitabo. The financial institutions could not pay the amount, ilahang mga obligations, mo na manerado. That's why mubaba ang interest rate, ang inflation rate mo taas. Yan lang. So, what will you choose? The amount of money now or the amount of money in the future? Nga lang ang concept. So, sa'yo na rin itong exam class ay?
Simula na, sir.
Nakuha lang sa sayon. Pero sayon lang bitaw. Kay
Ayun.
may changes sa financial statement analysis amount naman siguro changes bisag baliktad-baliktaron mo man dun ang problem. So, i-familiarize na niyo itong financial statement analysis mo formula. Total pagkuha sa vertical, horizontal, mga financial ratio. Ano, sa yun man siya nga, makakopya man mo sa formula. Diba? Unlike sa actual face-to-face exam, hindi mo mapagaan ng formula. Okay, so this will be our last meeting. I want to thank you all for your cooperation for a short period of time, at least man lang kami natunan sa kuha. And then hopefully pila ko mag-meet yapon ta sa CAED because our office is assigned with the CAED subject.
Sa Sa subject, sir?
CAED. So, yung pag-graduating na muna.
Hindi ko ba ito, sir, oy.
Sir, si sunod.
Ay, sunod. Kalimot lang ko kung marketing, HR o ano ba, economic.
Okay, sir. Laban-laban ng economics.
Sir, nakipangutan, sir ba? Og kita, upat ka tuig ang imong ano mo diri, sir, sa horizontal. Oo, horizontal. I-add lang to ni mo tayo, sir, no?
O average.
Average.
Ang pasabot mo sa average class,
Okay.
kung i-divide nimo ang buok tuig, ang tanang tuig,
Tanan tuig.
ilaman ang kuan average ng buwan. Para na grado ninyo kung imong grado sa English math, English 88, imong math 89, imong science 90, pero may average ana. So kung i-divide mo siya kung pila ka subject, that's your general average. Ana lang pag-compute sa average. Pero 2 year lang lagi akong problem. 2-year comparative lang sa. Dili siya mabot 3 to 4 years. Because if
Sir, okay na, sir, kung sa papel na sa mag-answer or
yes,
i-type
okay lang yan, okay lang for Excel.
i-type sa ano? Okay, sir.
Kung namin computer, better gamitin lang yung Excel. And then,
Spreadsheet.
keep lang ninyo siya, tapos magamit ninyo lang siya sa inyong future na finance subject. Mas lister na mo na kaya how na mo compute sa horizontal o vertical. Okay, any questions, class? Ingat lang mo gawa sa exam.
Dali lang, sir.
Sir, 5:30 ni mo i-answer, no? 5:30 ni mo ihatag ang question, ang exam.
Pwede 5 p.m.
As 5 p.m. na lang, sir, para makahunat me.
Tapos, inyo po kung i-update, follow up ha nga. Sir, ang problem kayo say makalimot jud ko kay napamud ko yung work plus napod ko yung mga subjects lain.
Okay, sir.
Sir, mga
Yes, sir.
Or ako siyang pa na lang, i-post na lang ako siya karon nga ma-available siya by 5 p.m.
Sige, sir.
So,
Kasi
kailan take
nakatong-
note na inyong solutions, ayaw ninyo wag kundi picture it, tapos inyong i-attach sa Blackboard LMS. Atag kog instruction kung asan nyo i-attach.
Pwede ba?
Okay, sir.
May ano sir, wala pa kabayad. Okay lang.
Kaya, exam lang yapon.
Pero na may ano sir no kaning online
Okay.
payment ang UM para din lang magadto.
Naa,
Na ano?
nasa food.
Tawag mo sa cashier na lang.
Isa, pendant mo kuan.
Answer only na lang man, sir, no?
Yes, answer only. Kuan mo siya. There are guidelines for payment. For payment. Nasa link ang link kung asa mo makabayad online. Okay. Isa pa man, mga panguntana.
Video na ko makita ng video sir ba sa kuan. Sa time value of money.
Kasi sa Chrome dapat yung may open.
Sana ako sa Messenger pod karon.
Sige sir.
Okay, so sa financial system, walang ni nasa PowerPoint tanan kanio. Financial management, financial market, investment. Oh.
Kaya sa yun na ning yung strand to, ay, wate background na ning IBM ba? Malag.
Kada.
Naglibo ko sir, wala ko background na courser. Yung strand mo ko sir, man.
Sige lang naman may group chat tinabang lang mo.
Lagi.
Nga na lang na dapat maging resourceful pud ka.
Nag-level
Ka, di jud ka mabuhi nga ikaw ra isa.
bitaw sir, tinod na sir.
So be resourceful sa imong mga kauban.
Sir, pwede na makupanin mo ang Excel sir sa atong
Sige, ako tong i-post karon pod. Para na may guide.
Oh,
Sa example, yun mo change lang tog numbers.
Sige, sir. Katong sa Excel kay para makita na mo jud ang iyahang ano ba.
Grabe na jud kaya kung pagpakaon sa inyo ano. Saro la pa mo na po.
Salamat, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir.
Briefing man good me nga since this is just overview of the finance. Dili kayo mo palisran. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Ano ka mo magdaog ka na?
Review man din ni sir, di man din ni exam.
Review. Okay, so I think that would be all. Thank you sa inyong time. Bisag Sabado ng aning gyapon mo karon. So I will send the video sa group chat and the Excel sa Blackboard LM. Okay, so that would
Sir,
be all.
mamiss ka na mo, sir. Charot.
Last na din. Last na din, sir.
Yes,
Day
last.
last na day. Day, happy to ako man day nun day. Karon pa ka-realize.
Okay,
Karon lang
bye-bye.
ako.
Bye na.
Salamat, sir. Bye-bye.
Salamat, sir.